Impending.
Birds can be a sign of impending death.
Impending.
Accompany.
In early times, crows were thought to accompany the gods of war.
Accompany. Potentially.
Crows can bring potentially bad luck for people.
Potentially.
Initially.
People initially related the swallow with the death of Christ.
Initially. Beware.
Farmers also have to beware of killing a swallow.
Beware.
Scavenger.
Crows are scavengers.
Scavenger. Inclined.
He feels inclined to laugh at that old wives' tale.
Inclined.
Crow. Large numbers of crows could be good indication of war in an area. Crow.
Harbinger.
Crow were thought to be harbingers of ill fortune.
Harbinger.
Afterlife.
People believe that crows can guide to the afterlife.
Afterlife.
Portent.
It was a portent of death in the near future.
Portent.
Crown of England. The crows is considered to be good luck for the Crown of England. Crown of England.
Clip.
He takes care of the crows and also clips their wings.
Clip.
Swallow.
Farmers began to consider swallows signs of good fortune.
Swallow.
Blessed.
Any barn that has swallows living in it is sure to be blessed in the following year.
Blessed.
Aftermath.
Crows frequent the aftermath.
Aftermath.
Battlefield.
In fact, crows bring portent of battlefields.
Battlefield.
Woe be it. Woe be it to the person who saw a single crown flying overhead. Woe be it. Old wives' tale. To understand an old wives' tale, you should find out if there any truth to it.